Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create this amazing mosaic effect in Photoshop. Start by making the copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Right click and convert it into Smart Object. Now go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Here, fit it in the view and choose Stained Glass. Change the cell size to 12, border thickness to 1 and light intensity to 2. Hit OK. Again, go to Filter, Stylize and Emboss. Here also change the following values. You can adjust the values as per your requirement. Hit OK. Double click on this little icon over here and change the mode to overlay. Hit OK. Again go to Filter, Noise and here change the amount to around 7 and distribution to Gaussian. Hit OK and that's it, you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.